Welcome to this neoStampa's tutorial about the Punch and Halftone tool. Gradients are always a challenge when transferring designs to garments, and that's where this tool comes in, designed to add whole patterns to your designs, giving them a softer and more breathable look and feel. Let's open a new design in neoStampa. Simply select your file, click Open, and you're ready to start. Next, we'll choose the Punch and Choke tool. From here, you can select the mode, define the shape, and adjust your preferences. Once everything is set, just click Apply to confirm. To check how it looks, use the print option and select Process Only to preview the final result before sending it to print. Once your file is processed, right-click and choose Show Raster Preview. Here you can clearly see how the halftone effect is applied, giving you full control before committing to the final print. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials and feature highlights right here on our channel.